Seeds and Seeds. Chapter 5 of Class 5 EVS book. This video contains all possible questions with answers from this chapter, including short questions, questions from book exercise, and also some advanced questions for better understanding, better knowledge, and also for better marks. Let us start without wasting time. Question. Why is sprouted chana good for health? Answer. Sprouted chana is high in protein and contains fiber, vitamins, minerals, heart-healthy fats, and antioxidants. That is why sprouted chana is good for health. Question. Why is sprouted chana better than normal chana? Answer. Sprouted chana is better than normal chana because sprouting removes anti-nutrients, improves digestibility, and increases nutritional value. Question. Why should we not eat excessive chana daily? Answer. We should not eat excessive chana daily because it is rich in protein and difficult to digest, causing gas and stomach pain. Question. What seeds can be eaten as sprouts? Answer. Chickpea, green pea, kale, mung bean, beet, alfalfa, and broccoli can be eaten as sprouts. Question. What conditions are essential for sprouting? Answer. The presence of water and air is essential for sprouting. Question. What seeds are soaked before eating? Answer. Chickpea, pine nuts, sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds, and kidney beans, rajma, are soaked before eating. Question. Why are kidney beans soaked before use? Answer. Soaking in water reduces the phytic acid present in kidney beans, rajma, and makes them easier to digest. Question. How to sprout chana? Answer. First, the chanas are cleaned and soaked in water overnight. Next day, they are wrapped in a wet cloth and kept moist for 2 to 3 days until sprouts appear. Question. What is a pitcher plant? Answer. A pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant that eats insects and other small animals. It grows in nitrogen-poor soil and is found in Australia, Indonesia, and India, Meghalaya. Its scientific name is Nepenthes. Question. How does Nepenthes hunt? Answer. Nepenthes attracts insects with a special smell. When insects land on the slippery mouth of the pitcher, they fall in and get trapped. Question. Name some seeds which are used as spices. Answer. Cumin, jeera, mustard, sarsong, fenugreek, methi, nigella, kalonji, black pepper, kali mirch, and fennel, mori. Question. Name some vegetable seeds that are eaten directly. Answer. Beans, peas, lentils, and peanuts. Question. Name some seeds that can fly. Answer. Cotton, maple, arak, and dandelion. Question. What is Velcro? Answer. Velcro is a material consisting of 2 strips of nylon or plastic that attach when pressed together and separate easily when pulled. Question. How does Velcro work? Answer. Velcro consists of 2 strips, one with tiny hooks and the other with loops that stick firmly when pressed together. Question. Who invented Velcro and how? Answer. George de Mestral invented Velcro in 1948 after noticing burr seeds sticking to his clothes and his dog's fur. Under a microscope, he saw tiny hooks that inspired his idea. Question. Give some examples of plants which disperse their seeds by bursting pods. Answer. Soybean, okra, bindi, bean, pea, and lupin. Question. What are the different ways by which seeds get spread? Answer. A. Wind. Cotton, maple. B. Burst. Soybean, okra. C. Stick to animals. Xanthium, urina. D. Through droppings. Mango, guava. E. Water. Water lily, water mint. F. Humans. Chili, tomato, from South America. Question. Which seeds came to India from South America? Answer. Potato, tomato, chili, and pumpkin. Question. From where did cabbage and pea come to India? Answer. Cabbage and pea came from Europe. Question. Name two seeds that originated in Africa. Answer. Okra, bindi, and watermelon. Question. Write some vegetables that originated in India. Answer. Cucumber and eggplant, brinjal. Question. Write some fruits that originated in India. Answer. Banana, mango, lemon, and lime. Question. Write names of fruits, vegetables and their countries of origin. Answer. Blackberry, North America. Blueberry, North America. Strawberry, North America. Grape, North America. Papaya, Central America. Corn, Central America. Pineapple, South America. Mango, India. Question. Why do seeds need to be spread to new places? Answer. Seeds need to spread so plants don't become crowded and can get enough sunlight, water, and space. Question. What happens if you soak split masoor dal? Answer. Split masoor dal does not sprout because the seed coat is removed. Question. Name the smallest and largest seeds. Answer. Cumin, jeera, is one of the smallest and mango is one of the largest. Question. How do seeds stick to animals' bodies? Answer. Some seeds have hooks or spines like xanthium that stick to animal fur or clothes. Question. What did you observe when you grew fenugreek or mustard seeds in a glass? Answer. The seeds first sprouted roots, then shoots, and leaves appeared after a few days. Question. Why do we soak chana and rajma before cooking? Answer. We soak them to make them soft, easier to cook, and digest. Question. Name some fruits whose seeds pass through animals' digestive system. Answer. Mango, guava, and plum. Question. What is seed dispersal? Answer. Seed dispersal is the process by which seeds are carried away from the parent plant to new locations. Question. How are coconut seeds dispersed? Answer. Coconut seeds are dispersed by water. The fibrous outer covering helps them float. Question. Why can't we eat sprouted potatoes? Answer. Sprouted potatoes contain solanine, a toxic substance harmful to health. Question. What did George de Mestral observe under the microscope? Answer. He observed tiny hooks on burr seeds that stick to cloth and fur, inspiring Velcro. Question. What things are soaked before cooking in your house? Why? Answer. Chana, moong, dry pea, rajma, soybean, pulses, and rice are soaked to become soft and easy to cook. Question. Do some plants grow without seeds? Answer. Yes, plants like rose, potato, and sugarcane grow from cuttings, stems, or tubers. Question. How many types of seeds can you collect? Where will you find them? Answer. Many types can be found in vegetables, fruits, spices, flowers, and grains from kitchens, markets, or fields. Question. Which seed did not grow at all? Why? Answer. Split masoor dal, because its seed coat was removed. Question. Did anyone's plant dry up or turn yellow? Why did this happen? Answer. Yes, due to lack of proper water or air. Question. Have you ever seen any seed that can fly? What is it called in your area? Answer. Yes, dandelion or cotton seeds can fly. In my area, it's called Buriya ke baal, old woman's hair. Question. What did you hear from ripe soybean pods? Answer. They make a bursting sound when dry to release seeds. Question. How do humans disperse seeds? Answer. Humans disperse seeds by carrying or planting fruits and vegetables. Question. Name seeds dispersed by water. Answer. Water lily and water mint. Question. Do all plants grow from seeds? Answer. No. Some grow from parts like stems or tubers, such as rose, potato, and sugarcane. Question. Did new leaves come out of the plant every day? Answer. Yes, new leaves came out of the plant every day. Question. Which seeds took the most number of days for the stem to come out of the soil? Answer. Seeds of sesame, till, took the most number of days. Question. Which seeds took the least days to come out of the soil? Answer. Seeds of mustard, sarsong, took the least days. Question. How many types of seeds can you collect? Where will you find them? Answer. Many types can be found in vegetables, fruits, spices, flowers, and grains from kitchens, markets, or fields. Question. Did you keep aniseed, saunf, and cumin, jeera, in your list? Answer. Yes, aniseed and cumin seeds were also included in the list. Question. Make more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? Answer. Seeds can be grouped as edible seeds, oil-producing seeds, spice seeds, floating seeds, sinking seeds, and very small seeds. Question. What is inside the seed? Answer. Inside the seeds exist cotyledons and embryos. Question. How does a big plant grow from a tiny seed? Answer. The seeds absorb water and nutrients from the soil to grow into a big plant. Question. What do seeds need for sprouting? Answer. Seeds need water and air for sprouting. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel to get such videos for all the other chapters. Thank you for watching.